Way cool. Wow. It's huge.
Oh man.
I mean,
campfire glow on the tailgate, mud on the boots, laughing late. Maps folded up in the glove box, snack bags gone, but the fun won't stop. Take the bend, take the long way. Every stop got a new say. We're rolling where the day goes, heart full, windows low. Welcome to Cottom, Trail Cruise, adventure on.
so there is a general store, a national park store, and at the straight end of the parking lot is a bridge, and that's the start of the trail of the Cedars Trail. Anyway, here we go.
Oh, check that out. My dad built this bridge.
My dad built this bridge, Charles Wesley Compton, Chuck, 1922 to 1983. Just behind the town of Newhalem, off the main road, the world gets quiet real fast. This is the Trail of the Cedars, a short, easy loop, but one that feels completely worlds away. You're surrounded by ancient old-growth forest. Some of these towering western red cedars and massive Douglas firs have been standing right here along the Skagit River for hundreds of years. This air is heavy, cool, rich with damp pine scent. The canopy is so dense overhead that it filters the daylight into soft, glowing emerald green, and every single inch of ground is blanketed in a thick velvet. I suppose I could say, wow, the whole trip got them.
I think so.
It's way cool. Wow. It's huge.
Oh man.
I mean, you can't even grasp how tall or how big these trees are. Video does it no justice whatsoever. None. None. I can take it all in. Oh my gosh, look. Look. And it goes on and on. Here's a fire charge tree from the 1922 fire. As you loop through the trees, the background hum is dominated by the rushing glacial waters of the Skagit River just out of sight. It's a peaceful, grounding walk, and as the trail winds towards the suspension bridge, it serves as a quiet reminder of just how untouched and protected this pocket of Washington really is before you dive deeper into the park. Here's a glance of the Skagit River. Let us know your favorite part of the hike. Adventure on and make some memories.